Hey neighbors, it's Nate here with Outside Cleaners in Brewster, Massachusetts. Here's my little house, here's my little company, here's my truck, and here's what I do for a living. When it comes to asphalt roofs, we really don't see them wear out from old age here on Cape Cod. We see asphalt roofs getting worn out by this stuff. This is organic growth. Think mosses and lichens and so forth. And like everything else, the cost of an asphalt roof is going through the roof. So if you have this upon your asphalt roof, it makes sense to take some sensible steps to minimize the damage that it's doing. I offer a sensible, cost-effective, organic, gentle way to remove this stuff. Basically, I offer pennies on the dollar to maximize the life of your roof. So if you've got this on your roof in the Mid-Cape area, let's talk. Here's my information. Here's additional links that you might find helpful. Thanks for watching.